Hi, in this video we are going to see how to make OBAL board receive PPM instead of using PWM. In PWM receivers you need a wire for each channel, as each wire sends the value of its own channel only, and this requires a lot of wires in case you use many channels. In case of PPM, you use only a single wire to carry information of all channels required. So let's find how to make this in OBAL. In OBAL, you need to open Ardupilot code and only change two files. In RC input, Raspberry Pi, this is the file that is responsible for receiving the signal from the receiver or translating the signal from the receiver. Instead of using 8 channels, here we will use only one channel. Okay, and instead of using pins 5, 6, 13, etc., each one, as I mentioned before, each one is used for a channel in PWM. You need to only specify only one channel and one wire or one port. In the other ports become available for you to use it in other functions. You can choose any one of these values. I chose to use the first one, and that's it. You don't need to change anything else. Only by making this modification you can make the OBAL board use PWM. Thank you.